Today we have Tanvi Gandhi with us. Tanvi has produced popular films like Queen, Mardani 2 and Super 30. She's worked with big studios like Yash Raj, Phantom and MTV. Let's hear her story and get her insights on the changing world of filmmaking. So let's welcome Tanvi Gandhi on BU with Shraddha S. Tanvi, welcome to BU with Shraddha S. And what a pleasure to have you today with us. And we are really excited to, get into this conversation and know more about your interesting journey.
Thank you so much, Shraddha, for inviting me to be a part of your podcast. I listen to it. मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है because there are different kinds of people here. So
Yes.
thank you so much for inviting me.
So, as the name says, be you with Shraddha S. You have to be yourself.
100%.
So, तन्वी हमें बताइए आपकी ये जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट हुई?
Interesting. आप मुझसे ये पूछ रहे हैं आज सुबह ही my trainer was asking me कि आप फिल्मों में आए कैसे? And
हाँ.
then it took me back so many years, Shraddha, जब and मुझे मजा आया उसको बताते हुए because he's a young person.
Yeah.
And now this as well that I was, we grew up in an India that was mid 90s.
Right.
ग्लोबलाइजेशन हो गया सडनली कृषि दर्शन से शोज बदल गए बनेगी अपनी बात एंड सम रियली नाइस शोज हम देखने लग गए जी टीवी स्टार टीवी आ गया देन बोल्ड एंड द ब्यूटिफुल सैंटा बाबरा देन वी स्टार्टेड वाचिंग धीरे धीरे शोज बदले हमारा एंटरटेनमेंट प्रोग्रामिंग बदल रहा था सो एज अ यंग पर्सन ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज एक्साइटिंग एंड आप डिस्कस करते थे कपड़े चीज़ें स्टोरी टेलिंग ये वो सो समवेयर आई थिंक द जर्म ऑफ द आइडिया बैठ गया कि ये अच्छा है ये करना है एंड ऑल्सो एट दैट टाइम इफ यू आस्क मी MBA और इसके अलावा देयर वाज what you call mass communication and all that came in. So that actually kind of made me think that this is the journey that I want to be on. But film करनी है और बॉम्बे आना है ये तो आई डोंट नो ये तो आई डोंट नो कब आ गया बिकॉज ये सोचना भी इफ़ यू कैन इमेजिन आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली और एनी गर्ल एज सच की फिल्मों में जाएंगे बॉम्बे में काम करेंगे इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट कम्स टू आवर माइंड पेरेंट्स भी इतने कोई एक्साइटेड नहीं होते थे उस बात पे कि फिल्म में जा रहे हो क्या करोगे अकेले दैट थिंग बट I would say, frankly speaking, the real germ came in when I did my I was in NDTV for 3.5 years. और फिर वहाँ मैंने एक दो शो किए जी मंत्री जी एंड जी प्रधानमंत्री जी which was an official remake of a British show called Yes Minister, Yes Prime Minister जिसमें फारूक शेख was in the lead. So as a young 18-year-old, you're on set, exactly, lights, camera.
Something similar, yeah.
I said, बस this is it. अब तो यही है कहीं और कुछ नहीं करना अब तो सेट पे रहना है और फिल्म बनानी है and that's how really the idea began actually.
Okay. And how was your experience with that particular project?
You can imagine Farooq Sheikh, the late Farooq Sheikh, how brilliant an
Yes,
actor he
yes.
is. उनकी इतनी अच्छी फिल्में, उनकी acting, उनकी तहजीब. Shraddha, I was very, very lucky because the first interaction with somebody from the film industry was him. What a guy, honestly, इतनी प्यार से हमसे बात करनी, उर्दू में बात करनी, पेशेंटली सेट, टेक के बीच में हम उनके पास जाके बैठ जाते थे.
Right.
He would give you advice, he would listen to you, आप like a little girl बात कर रहे हो, क्या होता है, क्या है, and he
Right.
would be so wonderful. So I think a lot of my learning actually has come from that show and from him in particular because of his discipline, of his grace, of the way he loved everybody, generous. So I think वो show से तो बहुत I learned a lot.
Interesting. Then we have worked with MTV, Phantom, Yash Raj, Balaji Films, uh, part of like all these iconic production houses. So, what is your experience and what has changed within you while you're working with these people or these production houses?
You know, Shraddha, I think अब मुझे बॉम्बे 21 years हो गए, and the first job that I did here was with MTV. Now, MTV, as you can imagine,
Right.
2004 to 9,
Yeah.
the place where every young person wanted to be, right? It was giving you music, it was giving you international music, VJs, travel, like a young India wanted to just watch MTV, honestly. And when you're working in an organization like that, I think you're floating on top of the
Right.
world.
I think this is one of the most glamorous thing to be on.
You know you're trending, like setting trends.
Right.
आप जो बोलते हो youth follow करता है.
Right,
आप
right.
जो दिखाते हो they are watching, and it was a great sense of empowerment and responsibility and fun. I think that place made me realize what teamwork is,
Right.
and if you have a non-toxic, supportive environment, you can really create the best kind of content.
Right.
And that's what happened there, you know. And we're all friends 25 years later, also. 25 years later, we're all like college mates, that kind of feeling, you know. वो क्यों आती है?
हाँ.
एक office जब आप छोड़ दो, then you don't really care about the colleagues.
Right.
But those colleagues were like family, you know, and that comes from the culture of people. So I would say that changed me the minute I came from Delhi. And then began the journey of films,
Right.
which was like a huge shock. I was like, oh my
So
God.
it was never a plan from you.
No, I mean, to be honest with you, I came to Bombay to be in the movies. But then when I came here, I realized ये तो world समझ नहीं आएगा. Abhi let me stabilize myself financially. And so from NDTV, I took up another TV job, which was MTV. So once the monies got kind of sorted, वो भी एक interesting story I must tell you. 2009, after 5 years of working there, Shraddha, the world was hit by the first recession. वो समझ नहीं था recession क्या होता है. And 40 of us को बुलाया and बोला ये रो आपके severance check, 6 महीने का पे, आज से आप नहीं आओगे, आपका email बंद, अपना सामान उठाओ और चले जाओ. I swear to God, ये तो कभी कोई reference ही नहीं है ये इस emotion का और ये क्या होता है, right? And I think that day was like the world collapsed for me कि अब क्या होगा, right? But that helped me next day when I realized कि पैसे हैं अब तो मूवी में जा सकते हैं. The lowest level also, because I hadn't worked in films, and films normally work with a certain level you have to rise.
Right.
And then kind of started the film journey, which was a rude shock because I said, ye to non, you know, this is based on relationships. This is based on jugaad. This is based on उस दिन आप कैसे perform कर रहे हो, you know, it's a very unstructured teamwork kind of a the way films are made.
Right.
So huge journey from, you know, freelance producing to then Phantom, then Yash Raj, and then eventually I went independent.
You have produced Mardani 2, Queen, Super 30, Udta Punjab, Raman Raghav 2. Such great films. Which film challenged you the most?
Challenged me the most, I would say Bombay Velvet, which was a Phantom film.
Yeah.
We made that in 2013. And us time pe Shraddha, that was one of the biggest films, like the biggest budget, honestly. And I think all of us were trying to figure out itne bade budget ko kaise handle karte hain, you know. So that I think was challenging in its own way. We were shooting entirely in Sri Lanka. So I lived in Sri Lanka that year, literally. The amount of travel that I did, हमारे visas free हो चुके थे. We were half citizens only because they just opened the airport and the, you know, immigration to us. But वो film बहुत challenging थी because when the volume of that kind of money and teams and crew members and big sets and all was a new way to sort of, it was new for me for sure.
Yeah,
You know, it was not something I had experienced before. पहले की थी films but छोटी थी in comparison.
Yeah.
But this one I feel like was most challenging to me. Emotionally, health-wise, professionally, in every sense.
Right.
Yeah.
How was your experience with Queen?
Queen is one of the most beautiful experiences, as you know, जैसे film देखने में मजा आता है, you can imagine
It's
हम
one
लोगों
of
ने,
my favorites. I mean,
yes, it कभी भी देख लो तो मजा है.
मजा आ जाता है,
तो that's a
absolutely.
classic film, right? कभी भी देखो, आप कहीं से भी देखो, it's fun.
yeah.
जैसे आपको मजा आया देखने में, वैसे ही बनाने में था. Interesting thing, हम लोग बहुत छोटी सी टीम traveled. Just before leaving, we did not have a studio on board, so literally we were like, जाना है कि नहीं जाना, passports, visas आ गए हैं, should we take the flight or not? And we took the flight, then the money came in, Viacom came on board. वो ऐसी film थी, right, that got made as we were shooting.
Okay.
The big advantage or the big reason for that, I will say, was my cameraman. He unfortunately passed away during the filming.
Oh.
But he was the reason why we all had such a great time shooting, right? अगर आपके DOP you know stress नहीं ले रहे हैं शूट करने के टाइम, तो एक्टर भी enjoy कर रहे हैं, हम भी कर रहे हैं, you know what I mean?
Right.
We were changing in cafes, you know. Rani, I'm saying her name was Rani. Kangna did not have a vanity. Sweetly, she would go into a cafe, change, come out. We did not have catering. We would just eat in any cafe.
Wow.
So it was on the move kind of a film. Great fun. And I think we realized कि ये तो कुछ interesting अच्छा बन रहा है,
हटके.
because every day जब आप वापस आते थे, you know that आपका दिन अच्छा गया है, लोग खुश हैं,
Right.
एक्टर खुश है, और जो भी आप शूट कर रहे हो वो अच्छा लग रहा है, then you knew you were making a good film.
Good film.
Yeah. So yeah, it was one of those special films, and when it did so well, I think that was the day, to be honest, that my parents finally felt, अच्छा अब ठीक है, आप बॉम्बे गए हो, फिल्में कर रहे हो, अच्छा ये फिल्म बनाई है. Now they were proud to tell everybody my daughter is in movies and Queen she's made.
Wow.
So yeah, that film was that, you know, stamp.
Describe a behind the scenes for a movie producer you wish more people knew.
So एक ऑडियंस तो डिसाइड कर लेती है कि हम आज फिल्म देखने जा रहे हैं और 5 मिनट में अच्छी लग रही है या नहीं लग रही है, बट द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क दैट गोज इन, it's if somebody just sits and watches it one day, they will be tired, because not only do we have about 3 to 6 months of prep,
Right.
which is discussing each scene क्या होगा, dialogue क्या होगा, costume क्या होगा, camera angles क्या होंगे, acting क्या होगी, like production design क्या होगा, sound कैसा होगा, extras क्या होंगे, like the detailing that goes into every second of what you watch is something to be, कोई आके एक बारी fly on the wall बन जाए, देख ले production को,
Tremendous work.
then they will be like, Oof, I must respect हम क्या देखने आए हैं,
Right.
because बहुत मेहनत है, honestly. It's and it's a film cannot be made without the team.
Right.
It's the biggest example of teamwork, honestly. Because वो एक दिन छप गया तो छप गया, that's it.
Right.
Then it's ready to be shown to the world.
Right.
And so I feel like the main thing, and I guess hard work is everywhere, right? In the podcast there's hard work, in shorter content is hard work, but a film hard work is at another level, because also the money at stake is too high.
Yeah.
So everybody's on a super accountable, responsible state of being from morning to night during shoot.
Right. Right.
And it is all linked very intrinsically, very deeply.
Right.
एक चीज मिस हो जाए तो सब कुछ मिस हो जाता है, so it's like and as a producer आप you're on top, right? You are making sure that everything is on time, on track, and yeah, so it's exhausting
I know.
to say the least.
ऐसे आपको कभी लगा कि आपने हाउस ऑफ टीजी लॉन्च अगर किया होता, व्हाट यू हैव टू से ऑन दिस?
You know, NDTV हुआ, MTV हुआ, Phantom हुआ, Yashraj हुआ, and these have been, I'm so grateful for this wonderful journey of such amazing organizations, mentors, people I worked with, that Yashraj के बाद मुझे लगा that अब I have to tell my own stories.
Right.
और वो तभी होंगे जब I have control in what I want to say. And I think that was really the reason why I said, you know what, let me go all out now and open up my production house, and it'll be called House of TG, because I believe it's a house and therefore a home for people to come and work in. They should feel at home in working with House of TG. And that's why I felt that जहाँ पर मुझे I don't want too many structures. आपको जैसे आना है, जब आना है, जैसे काम करना है आप करो, as long as you deliver. I didn't want structure, because offices में काम करके जहाँ you have to punch in कब आ रहे हो, कब जा रहे हो, even if you're making films, I was like, that's not how creativity flows. I don't want that in my organization. So I think the reason became where I could really decide मुझे किस पे time spend करना है और मुझे क्या story बोलनी है. And that's really the reason to go independent and open up my own production house.
And what is your experience like? Are you really that was the need of the hour? Like today, if you see, most of the actors are going
Yes.
and having their own production houses. So
So I'll tell you, most of the time लोग क्यों production house करते हैं अपना, right? एक तो reason ये है कि आप very important reason कि आप scripts choose कर सकते हो for actors and whatever, right? Secondly, apart from you being an actor, you as a producer you own IP, right? So you monetize on the IP. Actor में आप IP नहीं ले सकते, right? आपने perform
just
किया
get
and
your fee.
that's it. It's the producer who has the power. So everybody wants to be a producer. Everybody wants to own that IP. Why should you not? Please go ahead.
Yeah.
The world is open. Everybody should, have the chance to do it. And everybody can do it in their various जो जिसमें वो कर सकते हैं वो करें, क्यों नहीं करें, right? But उससे ये भी होता है कि sometimes production को heavy ना करने के लिए, so that actor उस वक्त पैसा ना लेकर production में ले ले या production कर ले, so project doesn't become heavy,
Right.
so that the performance of the project becomes less stressful. So I think most people eventually will want to have their production houses to be able to own content they make.
Yeah.
Like a lot of writers today also feel like they want to own जो उन्होंने लिखा है, नहीं तो जो वो लिखते हैं producer takes it.
Right.
So they're like हमको भी own करना है ये.
Exactly. And I think that way थोड़ी involvement भी ज़्यादा better हो, like if अगर है तो आपकी involvement better
आप
होगी.
इन्वॉल्वमेंट और आपका टाइम एज एन एक्टर एक चीज में जाता है, और क्रिएटिव क्योंकि आप क्रिएटिव हो और हम सब इन आवर ओन लेवल हैं, एज अ प्रोडक्शन हाउस देन क्रिएटिवली भी आप इन्वॉल्व हो, राइट? कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट करना है,
Right.
कौन से एक्टर्स आएंगे, कौन सा क्रू आएगा, किस पोजिशनिंग में करनी है, क्या बजट में बनेगा, ऑल दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ creativity,
Right.
marrying it with logistics and
Right,
budgets.
right. What is the biggest difference between producing films or OTT?
Producing is the same, believe me. अगर एक जिस तरह से स्केल चेंज हो जाता है सिर्फ, बट द प्रेपरेशन जो चीज़ रिक्वायरमेंट है वो सब सेम रहती है. अब पॉडकास्ट की भी सेम है, कैमरा, साउंड, एडिट, सेम फंडामेंटल सेम रहेंगे फ्रॉम दिस टू अ फिल्म. नाउ फिल्म बीइंग द बिगेस्ट मीडियम, of course the level of scale and the detailing, that is very different. But when you say films for cinema theater versus films or series for OTT, which is going to not come in cinemas but straight on the on TV, the level of preparation is the same, Shraddha. Only thing is that अब क्या हो रहा है कि the changing landscape, as you can imagine, films नहीं work कर रही, कौन सी films बननी चाहिए, कौन हमारे audience हैं, audience की retention power बहुत कम हो चुकी है अब. तो films are going through this whole journey of हम सिनेमा में लोगों को कैसे बुलाएं वापस. So now the discussion is कि हम बड़ी फिल्में ही कर सकते हैं, उसी को देखने के लिए ऑडियंस आएगी, राइट? अदरवाइज पीपल आर सो कंफर्टेबल, घर बैठ के सबके बड़े टीवीज हैं, या एवरीबडी इज यूज्ड टू वाचिंग दिस ऑन द फोन, सो नोबडी इज एक्साइटेड कि हम फिल्म देखने जा रहे हैं या कुछ. सो टू गेट देम टू कम इनटू थिएटर्स, वो वाली फिल्म्स थोड़ा प्रेशर ज़्यादा है टू ट्राई एंड फाइंड वैसी फिल्म जो पूरे इंडिया को पसंद आए, मास नंबर्स कम एंड वॉच,
Kind of blockbusters type.
ब्लॉकबस्टर्स हो, ऑब्वियसली तभी आप बनाना चाहेंगे.
Hmm.
ओटीटी में क्या होता है कि आइदर कमीशन हो जाए, लाइक इन वन ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म सेज आई लाइक योर स्क्रिप्ट, make it, so you're safe, right? You make it and it comes there.
Right.
So there's, we just want our stuff to be made. We just want ki, because once we're on set, then we're on set.
Yeah.
Then there's no difference.
Right.
Then short film ho ya kuch bhi ho, then to we are performing and we have to deliver.
Yeah.
But the main work happens actually, to be honest, in the preparation and in the release.
Right.
The biggest thing is distribution. कहाँ जा रहा है? That is the big challenge actually.
So do you think जो उसके ऊपर ही पूरी फिल्म की सक्सेस डिपेंडेंट है?
See, आजकल क्या है? Marketing, PR, social media is a very big thing, right? Because उससे decide लोग decide कर लेते हैं जाना है कि नहीं. कोई चीज़ viral हो गई, सब देखने जा रहे हैं. कोई बहुत सारा सुन लिया, नहीं अच्छा, नहीं जाएंगे. So this is playing a very, very important role. And marketing is as crucial as making the film, honestly. The positioning of it. कैसे लोगों तक जाए कि आप इसको देखो. Clutter में से निकाल के आप इसको चूज करो देखने के लिए. वो मार्केटिंग ही कर सकते हैं, राइट? PR and marketing is very, very important. Because so much content, Shraddha. Just imagine the content between short form, long form, 1-minuters, audio, podcast. किसमें आप कैसे चूज करोगे कि मुझे ये देखना है?
Right.
So it does matter.
So do you think social media is really playing a big role in
Good and bad both. Social media is, आप
जैसे कि सैयारा हम देखो like all the Gen Zs, like the people, like young people are going
completely targeted them, right? And biggest blockbuster, one of the biggest films ever of newcomers. Of course, उसमें मैं I'll say this, Shraddha, that you also have to have a film जहाँ actors भी अच्छे हों, music भी ठीक हो, तो sustain हो.
combination of everything.
Everything has to sustain. Opening मिल गई फिर, but इतना लंबा चलना is
Right.
because obviously the film also had something in it. But the fact that it came like this and the audience just made it a blockbuster weekend and the youth just started talking about it, definitely a big part is PR and marketing for sure. Yeah. A success story always, through and through.
Why do you think the filmmaking business has become very unpredictable?
To be honest, Shraddha, it was always.
Always?
It's a see, what happens on that Friday, nobody knows.
Yeah.
But yes, it is far more unpredictable now, honestly. It's because the choice, there's way too much choice. And people are very clear, हमको अपना time बहुत important है अब. So to drive, go, park, watch, come back is 6 hours minimum. So they are like, Secondly, I feel like filmmaking and therefore going to cinemas, theaters, is too expensive. The rates have to come down for general India to come out and watch. It's too much. It's too expensive, honestly. And I think
it's almost free on your mobile.
आप क्यों नहीं करोगे बताओ? और आपको अभी वो एक्साइटमेंट ही नहीं है कि मुझे फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो देखना है. 1 महीने 2 महीने में वो आ जाएगी.
Right.
I'll watch it then. इतना convenient हो गया है. But for us as makers, it's a tough time.
Yeah.
To be honest. But everything changes, the tide changes. Let's see ये कब change होगा. We're waiting.
Yes. Have festival awards changed the way you get films financed or distributed?
See, जो film awards, international awards अगर मिलते हैं ना, तो वो थोड़ा सा बॉलीवुड से अलग है. Because foreign audience, foreign judges can't understand the way we like our Bollywood or / South films also. So वो films थोड़ी छोटी होती हैं, niche थोड़ा होता है. They're great on content. They may get visibility, but I'll be honest with you, I'm not sure really अगर उससे किसी को benefit हुआ है for other projects ahead. So that's a little tricky part. You get noticed, you get, आपको recognition मिल गया आपको, but whether that's leading to other stuff, we have to wait and watch.
Okay.
Just volume में होना चाहिए, I feel उतना नहीं होता है. But awards, let's say your Filmfare Awards and your Screen Awards and your normal awards here in India are popular awards, really.
Right.
They are magazine awards or they are channel awards. Those are meant for, to be honest, get the audience to watch, support. It's all bit of pomp and show.
Right.
But वो चाहिए to run that business.
Right. Right.
Yeah. But credibility कितना है? I will say 50-50.
So they always say that, ये bought होते हैं. The awards. I know I'm getting into a controversy.
I will just say that it's a part of the marketing and PR thing. So
Okay.
let me just say that.
How do you see the role of women evolving behind the scenes in Indian film production?
So I will just say that today women play a big part in the corporate filmmaking, to be honest. So they are very at senior positions in OTT as film executives. I may not see, of course, there are many more than when I had, when I came into the films. But अब films like filmmaking में and production, in production design, makeup में, there are women. So it's definitely changed. Whether they're always in positions of power or decision making, I will say that has definitely changed, and they are. They are. But there's a lot more work to be done. तो हम तो पुश करते ही रहते हैं कि मैक्सिमम नहीं, बट काफ़ी लड़कियां होनी चाहिए टीम में. I prefer to have a balanced team.
Tanvi, in your view, what are the next big trends in storytelling or OTTs?
One of the biggest trends, let's see how long it lasts, to be honest, Shraddha, is the micro dramas, the vertical micro dramas, which is a 1 minute, right? Those seem to be really doing well. And internationally, it's $1 billion business, where 1 minute ka aaya, aapne dekha about 7-8 episodes, and then you have to buy the subscription and then you watch the rest of it.
Right.
So it's catering to your lack of retention power, instant attention and instant आपको जो entertainment चाहिए and move. So this is one big trend. Whether we support it or not, I cannot say.
Okay.
But ये एक popular है. I think globally films are not the same like they were
Anymore.
हमारे टाइम पे या पहले, राइट, बिकॉज वही एक एंटरटेनमेंट था. अब एंटरटेनमेंट बहुत चेंज हो गया है बिकॉज अनदर थिंग दैट्स हैपन विद सोशल मीडिया, श्रद्धा, इज दैट people are shooting themselves, right? So they are stars in their own eyes.
Yeah.
So हमारे टाइम पे we were, stars were, there was, हमारे eyes में भी stars थे कि screen पे जाएंगे, वो क्या चीज़ है. Now they are behind themselves and the phone itself has become as big as an OTT show. वो भी आप phone पे देख रहे हो, आप एक content भी phone पे देख रहे हो. So the distinction has changed completely, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, to be able to get people to get excited कि आप film देखने आओ, या तो आप बिल्कुल back to basic simple story बनाओ जो एक common Indian को समझ आए, right? Because you and I, people living in metros तो नहीं है India, right? India is people who are living in tier 2, tier 3 cities and in villages, और उनका entertainment क्या है? Films. Malls भी नहीं है, रेस्टोरेंट्स भी इतना नहीं है, अगर हैं भी तो कितना मॉल जाओगे, कितना रेस्टोरेंट जाओगे. सो फिल्म स्टिल इज अ कम्युनिटी वॉचिंग एक्सपीरियंस. लेकिन अगर आप फिल्में वैसी बनाएंगे जो उनको भी समझ आए, तो इट मेक्स अ डिफरेंस, राइट? विच इज व्हाई कमिंग टू साउथ फिल्म्स डू वेल. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे आर केटरिंग टू दैट इमोशन ना. हाई इमोशन एंड हाई ड्रामा एंड हाई एंगर, हाई वो, दैट्स व्हाट पीपल लाइक. वो आप और मैं नहीं देख सकते, हमें हेडेक हो जाएगा.
I know. For them, it's more relatable,
Yes.
I think. Yeah.
It's also suspension of घर में छोड़ के आओ stress, ये देखो.
Yeah. And they want to see something which is, when I say relatable, that doesn't mean that's something which they want to see on a big screen, or something which they can't do.
which they can't
Film,
do
yeah.
exactly. आप रियलिटी से बाहर आके राइट, मगर वो इमोशन आप समझ रहे हो, वो
Yeah.
एंगर आप समझ रहे हो. एनिमल व्हाई डिड इट डू वेल, वो इमोशन लोगों को कनेक्ट हो गया कि दिस गाय has been neglected by his father. He has anger. He wants to protect his sister.
Right.
So whether you like it or not, people loved it because they related to that emotion.
Right.
So let's see where we go. But I feel all kinds of films and content should be made.
Yeah, yeah. Do you think you see cinema coming back, or do you think the OTT is the king now?
I would like cinema to come back. I would still like if we all went to cinemas, theater में जाके कुछ देखो. But अब क्या होगा कि बहुत selective चीज़ें जो आप कहीं और नहीं देख सकते, but एक सिनेमा में देख सकते हो with community.
Right.
ज़्यादातर वैसी films बनेंगी.
Like 3D or something like
3D वाला हो, Avatar जैसे आ रहा है, which is this great big
Right.
experience, animation and 3D and 4D, as well as some kind of action, जिसका sound, वो सब आप एक बड़े experience में देखो, and with many more people.
Yes.
See, it's not a alone experience.
Yeah, yeah.
What happens at home, आप and आपकी family, phone तो आप ही हो. But when it is an experience in theaters, then it's like I want to see it with more people.
Right.
I want to cheer. I want to laugh together.
Yeah.
So वो बड़ी film है.
Hmm.
When I say badi, I mean spectacle.
Right. But also like movies like Sayara, like which triggered the emotions, and maybe it wasn't that.
See, it was not, again, that is not a film which is action or whatever, right? But it touched the core emotion of love,
Right. Right.
of music, youth.
Hmm.
There was no youth couple, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
There was a time अभी हमने कोई नया couple नहीं देखा, so new couple emerged.
Hmm.
It connected with the new generation of. So they were like अभी शाहरुख है, वही actors हम कब तक देखें?
Yeah.
Suddenly they saw somebody their age group.
Also, I was surprised, Tanvi, कि today Gen Z's के ज़माने में सैयारा जैसी इमोशनल मूवी चल गई, एंड like crazy, जहाँ पे मुझे
They've gone and supported it.
यस, तो Gen Z's के पास इमोशंस का जो कोटा है मुझे लगता है बहुत कम है, एंड स्टिल इट रियली वर्कड. व्हाट इज योर टेक, लाइक व्हाई डिड इट वर्क सो वेल? क्योंकि Gen Z's मुझे लगता है द वे दे आर लुकिंग एट द थिंग्स आर वेरी लॉजिकली, दे जस्ट डोंट वांट टू.
I agree. I think, Sayyara is a combination of timing. Everything in life is about timing. They were right timing. They, best thing that what they did was, they did not expose their lead actors on social media. So nobody even knew who these two were, right? So there's no expectation. Then they decided to cut the pricing by 50% 1 week prior to the. So the youth went and bought. जब टिकट 200 की हो रही है तो सबने कहा चलो फ्राइडे को फिल्म देखने जाते हैं.
Right.
सबने बुक कर ली, right? Then when they went and saw the film, general simple emotion of music, of love, of betrayal, of जो core emotion है ना, human emotion, they just connected with it. And it had everything जो एक फिल्म में होना चाहिए for anybody to feel like हाँ चलो हमने अच्छी फिल्म देखी. You know what I mean? And they supported it.
Right.
थोड़ा सा ट्रेंड भी हो गया सोशल मीडिया पे कहना कि हम जा रहे हैं देखने के लिए and all that.
Yeah.
But I think it was very clearly the fact that we did not have a young couple also, and they acted well.
Yeah.
ये भी था, right? People were like, they're acting well, they're looking nice, they're looking real, and full support.
Then we see a lot of collaboration with South movies, South films, and then cross industry collaborations. You also produced one Malayalam film. So please tell us about that.
I think first of all, the South, especially Malayalam films, have in the last few years have done really well. अगर कोई देखे on OTT and all, they are very rooted stories. They're very simple stories, and very well woven stories, right?
Yeah.
And direction and whatever. So generally, they became popular with us, with most people, especially during the pandemic, right? When आप सब कुछ देख पा रहे थे, so and subtitling भी पढ़ पा रहे हो, you know. So it opened up the possibility of watching things outside of Hindi films. Then when you realize that these are stories that are really real, rooted, मजा आ रहा है आपको इनको बताने में, I think a lot of people went that route also. I also wanted to experiment, and try and understand that छोटे budget or compact budget में how can we tell a good story?
Right.
You know, because the pressure of performance for a Hindi film is very high. See, a Malayalam film has to, if it does exceptionally well, bonus. But it has to first do well in Kerala, as it is a Kerala market. Language is only Kerala.
Right. Right.
And then, of course, diaspora. लेकिन so उसमें क्या होता है, आप बेझिझक अपनी story कह सकते हो. And so a lot of people like to go that route because of course, from a business point of view, it can really do very well, exceptionally well, because now everybody is open to watching that
Right,
kind of cinema also. Because we're rooted हैं, Shraddha. They are more real to their culture.
So name of the movie is Thadavu.
Tharavu.
Thadavu. Please
Thadavu.
tell us about the.
It's a very sweet sort of story, which means the sentence. जहाँ एक mid-40s lady, you know, and interestingly, she's twice divorced, working, which is not usual in Kerala or normally, you know, in an Indian setup. And she's got this interesting relationship between ex-husbands, family. तो थोड़ा dark humor भी है. You know, she's weird and she's loving, but she's normal. She's a normal woman, you know, who has quirks. सब में ही होते हैं. हम कैंडी की तरह स्वीट तो नहीं सबको बना सकते. You have to have real people, and she's that, and she's got great friends that support her. And you know, she has an interesting relationship with her child, ex-husband who doesn't like her. So there's comedy in that also. And pathos, अकेली तो वो है ही. You know, and then she gets to know that she's suffering from a terminal illness, and she doesn't have money to take care of her, you know, her treatment. So then she realizes that the only way maybe I can be taken care of if I commit a crime, तो मुझे जेल में डाल देंगे, और क्योंकि मेरी illness है तो फिर मेरा treatment भी होगा.
Oh, interesting.
So then she tries to commit a crime so that she gets caught and then is put and you know treatment हो गया देखभाल. So उसके बारे में वो story है. So it's a lovely film. It's available on Amazon Prime.
Okay.
And book my show. So please try and
I'm
catch
gonna
it.
definitely watch
Yeah,
it
yes,
for
yes.
sure.
Especially because it's for people our age group. You know what I mean? The ladies
Right.
in an age group which we'll relate to.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. So I'm happy that, you know, it won really a lot of awards. She won, you know, and the best part actually, Shraddha, she was a school teacher. She's not even an actor.
Oh, that's interesting.
And she got Best Actress and, you know, and many awards the film got. So you know that the film is good. जब आपको appreciation मिलता है critically and from awards,
True.
which are not awards that are, but I think these were genuine awards.
Superb. Tanvi, when you're scouting through the projects, so what's that one thing that makes you say yes?
So as a producer, you know, आपको instinctively कोई चीज लगनी चाहिए कि, and it could be me. See, me as a producer might like it. You as a producer might not like it, right? So एक तो individual भी होता है कि थोड़ा सा मुझे ये कैसा लग रहा है. Secondly, that I do look for is that we should be able to tell a story that has some उसको देखकर आप कुछ सोचें. मुझे लगता है फिल्म्स एक थोड़ी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है
Definitely.
एंटरटेनमेंट के साथ.
Definitely.
अगर मैं एंटरटेनमेंट के साथ कुछ मैसेजिंग वीव इन कर पाऊँ,
Right.
I would think that is my responsibility. Right. And my conscience says कि that would be great cinema and
Right.
great storytelling also. I've been fortunate with Upurta Punjab, Raman Raghav, Queen. These are good stories. These are
Yeah.
stories that are saying something.
Right.
Mardani.
Mardani too was
Yeah, yeah,
fantastic
yeah.
again.
So wo ek, I look for that.
Hmm.
Then I also look for how clearly the writer has written.
Hmm.
मतलब फाइनली आपके दिमाग में नहीं होना चाहिए ना पेपर पे आना चाहिए सो
Right.
हाउ वेल इट हैज बीन रिटन आपका थॉट कितना क्लियर है
Hmm.
एंड देन डायरेक्टर ऑल्सो मैटर्स टू बी ऑनेस्ट फाइनली उसका विजन तो डायरेक्टर ही देगा
Right.
और या देगी राइट सो उनकी क्लैरिटी उनका जुनून उनका किस तरह से वो स्टोरी कहना चाहते हैं और जनरली कितनी क्लैरिटी है इज व्हाट आई रियली फील that I think I'll put my effort in this
Right.
film
Right.
because eventually effort hai
Right.
because that journey from paper to cinema
Hmm.
is the journey of the producer because वो paper से उसको tangible form लाना
Right.
is the producer's
Right.
role and that's a very tedious thankless it's rewarding only at the very end and if it does well
If it does well,
if
yeah.
it does well.
So when you really worked hard on one of any of your projects, you do work hard on all your projects,
Yes.
of course, but and you really like the story and the film, what you done and made, whatever. और वो जब नहीं चलती है, how does it feel? I mean, क्योंकि आप जान डाल देते हो
Oof.
उसमें, and
it's true honestly it is so ये एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है आपने शुरू शुरू में क्या होता है जब आप फिल्मों में आते हो राइट यू गेट सो अटैच्ड to the team, to the project,
yeah.
to everything. It's like everything for you,
Yeah.
honestly. As you get older, you start to look at this as a I can't say you look at it detachedly or unemotionally, right? But आप में वो समझ अब आ जाती है कि ये इमोशनल अपहीवल आप नहीं हैंडल कर सकते
right.
सो अब आपको थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस के
Create
साथ
करना पड़ेगा,
yes,
and you
yes,
have to
yeah.
look
You
it
have to
from
just
a
do your job, step back because initial years are really I tell you everything gets mixed up.
Yeah.
So actually to be honest apart from Bombay Velvet which bombed and how
Yes.
other films thankfully have kind of done okay. LSD, जो मेरी last film थी with Dibakar Banerjee and Ekta Kapoor, that didn't do well at all. And I mean, उसमें बहुत मेहनत की थी. It was a very intricate film, and you're numb for some days. So you're just numb because खुद भी टाइम लगता है then लोग पूछते हैं नहीं हुआ like it's you have to deal with all of it
Right.
and then just be like it's gone let's move ahead.
Is it because cases start नहीं हुआ?
Sorry,
Is it because
I swear to God. Well said. Well said, yes.
So, but
कर ही देते I tell you.
I know.
Cake LSD.
So I'm sure with the time you learn to deal with these things.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. It's a emotionally आपको अपने आप को बहुत हैंडल करना पड़ता है. Yeah, because it's a lot of emotional at the cost of family life, at the cost of your health. It's at the cost of many things. Huh? You are showing up every day to deliver this film, which is high pressure, budgets are some crores, and and then when it just that's it. वो पूरे सालों या महीनों की मेहनत is gone in like whatever. It's you have to work on keeping yourself sane through it all, honestly. And like I said, it comes with time and experience.
Yeah. And I think
But आजकल के sorry to just add to this आजकल का जो youth है I think they might handle this better. They are emotional and unemotional at the same time.
yeah. They're more practical.
They're practical.
Yeah.
नहीं ये नहीं तो ये नहीं ये नहीं तो ये नहीं it's instant and validation is working differently from our times.
And it was also a spiritual learning kind of, you put your hands in something where you're giving your best and then
I
completely
love,
detaching from it.
I absolutely love what you said right now, because genuinely for me, I believe, Shraddha, that filmmaking is a it's like you're being prepared for life every day. It's a mini, like you're in a mini sort of learning on
It's
world.
like a course, your
Yeah,
life course you're
life
going
course
through.
chal raha hai every day on a film set.
Yeah.
Because not only are you dealing with people, so you have to manage emotions, temperaments, egos,
Right.
and yet get the job done. It's life.
Yeah.
Then you are all operating on a certain kind of budget, responsibility, accountability. Then you have to deal with emotions where something may not work, you have to move on, you have to, and you're constantly giving,
Yeah.
you're just giving to a film, to a project to happen. So
Not
I
knowing whether it will work or no.
it's absolutely that you just are driven by extreme passion,
Yeah.
inexplicable passion,
Right.
that makes you show up. हर रोज पहुंच जाओ, शूट करो, नहीं पता है ये कैसे बनेगी, कैसी रिस्पॉन्स होगा इसका, कैसी रिसेप्शन होगी, नहीं पता है, बट यू शो अप एवरी डे एंड दैट्स लाइफ.
Yeah.
यू हैव टू शो अप एवरी डे ऑन लाइफ. आपको नहीं पता है अगले दिन क्या होने वाला है, बट आप शो अप करते हो. एंड सो like you said, it is spiritual. Eventually you start to feel it's you start to rise in a certain way.
Right.
But ye bhi, everybody has their own journey.
Obviously.
Yeah.
आप जितना जल्दी एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हो ये प्रोसेस को, इट्स बेटर फॉर यू.
Yes. Because there's also a time, and like currently, that is the time, to be honest, Shraddha, that we are all going through a little bit of a lull in our industry.
Yeah.
There's been a long period of waiting for something to get greenlit, but you every day are pitching, working, budgeting, building projects without knowing when this will convert.
Right.
Somebody could break in this situation. Somebody could just say, let me pack my bags and go home. Somebody could just be like, ye kab tak hoga, palpitation, depression, anxiety, all of that is normal, right? But how do you still just stand strong and still go, say, it might be tomorrow,
Right.
so there is life teaches you, films teach you, and it's a decision you have to make finally.
True.
Because the volatility is so much, the gratification is there, not there. Relationships in the film industry can be very close, may not be close. You get very close to people when you're making a film. Next day, it's a different set, new set of people.
Right.
That emotional shift that happens.
I know.
But so it's daily work, I feel.
तन्वी, आप जब बात कर रहे हो, I'm just thinking how challenging this must be.
Yes.
At the same time, जैसे हमने discuss किया है कि this is like a whole spiritual process.
Yes.
It's a everyday learning.
Everyday learning. Everyday.
And जैसे आपने कहा कि हर एक की अपनी जर्नी होती है.
Yes.
हमने इसी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत ज़्यादा suicides देखे जो होते हैं.
Exactly.
Because a lot of young people, they are not able to handle their failure.
They're not able to, for this exact reason. And koi bhi mujhse puchta hai, what is it that you want to tell the young people or actors coming in or people? I feel that please find your spiritual center. So your question was so valid and so well asked, because without spiritually finding your core and your center, you can't handle. आप long journey नहीं कर पाओगे. It has to be a sustainable. If this is your life path, if this is your professional path, then how do you sustain? You have to sustain through something that's keeping you centered, and that can only be a spiritual space.
Right.
It's challenging to another level.
Yeah. So Tanvi, in today's time आपको क्या लगता है एक अच्छी फिल्म बनने के लिए किलर कंटेंट चाहिए या गुड एक्टर्स चाहिए?
Content, I feel always the attempt and idea should be at least at the core content level, what is on paper as the first thing जिस पे हम build करते हैं, should be really fantastic, honestly. Today people are unforgiving. एक मिनट में एक सेकंड नहीं लगता है reject करने में.
Yeah.
किसी चीज़ को। पहले तो हम फिर भी चांस दे देते थे, कुछ और था ही नहीं तो
Right.
देख लो, व्हाटएवर। नाउ इट्स नो। सो एटलीस्ट बेस स्ट्रांग हो। um, अब लापता लेडीज, an example,
Yeah.
Shraddha, you must have seen it.
Yes, yes.
What a lovely film, right?
Yes.
Where this is a good story, well told. उसमें actors कौन नए, सब नए थे,
Right.
right? So, but again, उसमें I like the fact that at least Amir pushed and made it happen.
Right.
क्योंकि बनाई तो किरण राव ने बनाई,
Yeah.
so then you are, you know, able to position it, लोग देख सकते हैं, all that
True,
happens.
True.
So, but in today's practical world of film distribution, कि फिल्म आपको कहाँ बिकती है, एक्टर्स का होना जरूरी है, नोन एक्टर्स का,
You mean big stars?
बिग स्टार्स, और जो जिनके सेलेबल हैं,
उनकी face value है.
जो, क्योंकि वो मैंने लर्न किया, टू बी ऑनेस्ट श्रद्धा, विद माय मलयालम फिल्म. It's a great film. It won so many awards, right? But it didn't have any known actors. So I could not sell it. Everybody turned around and said, very good. Why? We need subscribers. इससे आपके हमारे पास सब्सक्राइबर्स नहीं आएंगे. So subscribers लाने के लिए आपको फेस चाहिए. So it's a vicious cycle. Actors बोलते हैं कौन सा बड़ा प्रोड्यूसर और डायरेक्टर है, वो उन्हीं के साथ जाना चाहते हैं. एक्टर्स हमारे पास कम हैं जो सेलेबल हैं. So then it goes into a loop.
Right.
Who do you get? How do you get? Then you try and collaborate with another production house,
Right.
a bigger production house. Then they can call the actors. You know what I mean? So abhi wo chal raha hai. So a combination of all of this is needed for a film to be successful.
Successful. You entered this industry without any connection.
Nobody I knew.
What's your advice for young producers trying to break it?
So today, most definitely, it's much easier. You know, we are all accessible. People can reach out to anybody today, whether it's through social media or, you know, at gatherings or not. People are far more open today to conversations and all. So, I feel anybody coming in, any young producer, most definitely, you know, reach out to people, physically try and meet people. Secondly, I think to hone आपके अपने skills को, अपने आप को तैयार करने के लिए, आप शॉर्ट फिल्म बनाओ, अपने प्रोडक्शन स्किल्स को शार्पन करो, अंडरस्टैंड करो कि कैसे ये होता है. आई ऑल्सो फील यू मस्ट वर्क ऑन फिल्म्स, बिकॉज द बिगेस्ट लर्निंग फिल्म की है फिल्म पे काम करने पे. फिल्म स्कूल ठीक है आपका, यू नो, यू विल थियोरेटिकली नो, अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स, बट वो सेट पे क्या प्रॉब्लम है वो इतना यूनिक होता है, तो ये हम कैसे सिखा सकते हैं, राइट?
ये आपको कुछ
वो देखकर, हाँ, यू हैव टू एक्सपीरियंस इट, ऑब्जर्व इट, एंड स्टार्ट एट वट एवर लेवल. बट जो लर्निंग फिल्म सेट पे आएगी ना, वो कहीं नहीं आ सकती, रियली. सो ड्रॉप ईगोज, ड्रॉप, you know, मैंने किया है पहले, कुछ ये किया, nothing. Just say, give me an opportunity to be on a set and prove your worth by performing well.
Right.
Anybody sees somebody good, they will want you. Hard work never gets, you know. And I feel people need to have a very good attitude in life. Because even if you're good at your work, but your attitude is off, आपको नहीं दोबारा बुलाएंगे. You have to have a good attitude towards work, because you have to work with too many people.
Right.
आप उसमें ईगो के साथ रूड हैं या जनरली उसमें हो रहे हैं, people will be like, छोड़ो, हमें कोई और मिल जाएगा.
Right.
Keep that attitude, and I feel people should just work in films to learn. Yeah.
तन्वी, आपने जैसे कहा कि आपने जब करियर की शुरुआत की तब आप 18 साल की थी. 18 साल की तन्वी and today's Tanvi.
Gosh.
Please tell us the difference and what has changed, like being a young girl and now, you know, well-established producer, well-known producer.
What has changed, I think, excuse me, in a good way. I don't know, actually मुझे ये लगता है कि मैं तब भी fearless थी और अभी भी fearless हूँ. पर और एक मगर एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात है कि आई एम ऑल्सो अ लॉट मोर फेयरफुल टुडे. आई थिंक बचपन में क्या होता है, आप रियली इट्स द मैजिक ऑफ यूथ, राइट? जहाँ आप अगर एक क्लिफ में भी खड़े हैं,
Yeah.
पता नहीं क्या होता है कि आप कहते हो कि मैं जंप कर लूंगी तो मैं somebody will save me, या पर निकल आएंगे या कुछ होगा, I'll be fine. Today I feel like you look and you're like, can I take this jump or not?
Right.
So that little bit of that has come in. But I look at me when I was 18 and I feel like I did okay, on my own, living by myself in Bombay and working in all these movies, and it's been a huge learning, honestly, and a lot of hard work, and it's never easy.
Right.
Honestly, it's never easy, and to people, I might seem successful because ye X amount of films kiye hain, yeah, whatever, right? But to arrive at any position, बहुत कुछ
देना पड़ता
देना पड़ता है,
है, बिल्कुल.
बहुत. So to anybody who's 18, I feel like just take the chance, take the risk, just do it. Because अगर आप नहीं करोगे तो आप, you don't want to look back and regret.
Regret.
वो नहीं होना चाहिए. I think all of us at our age and as we get older, I just feel like वो regret वाली बात नहीं होनी
Yeah.
चाहिए.
Take the chance.
Take the chance, and I also feel like you should be able to take a decision and be like, गलत या सही ये मैंने तो लिया है ना,
Right.
किसी
That's
और ने
very
नहीं लिया.
important, I
Yeah.
think. Yeah.
किसी और ने नहीं लिया मेरे लिए. So I can't blame my parents or anybody.
Right.
So if there was a mess up, there was something that I did wrong, it's me.
Right.
So I take full ownership of my life. Yeah.
That's very important.
That's important, I feel. You know.
As you said कि अभी आप 18 साल की थी तभी बहुत बिंदास थी, अभी भी आप fearless हो पर calculated risk लेते हो maybe.
Calculated risk.
Uh,
There's a little more at stake ना.
Right. Right.
अब वो वाला टाइम नहीं है
Yeah,
कि
that
बस
energy- Exactly.
recklessness नहीं है.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Though I feel my family friends will say अभी भी तुम reckless चीजें करते हो, but in my way I've reduced it.
Right.
But maybe to others I'm still,
Still
you
the
know.
same. Yeah. So as a human being or as a person, how you have evolved in these years, other than
That's a. I think my understanding of people and emotions, and as well as हमारे साथ क्या क्यों चीज़ें हो रही हैं और हम उस पे कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, उसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग हैज़ डेफिनेटली gotten much better. I am a single person in that sense. I don't have children or whatever. So, that aspect of my life or that aspect of being a woman or whatever is not something that I experienced. That also helps in a certain evolving journey, right, of a woman. But because I have a big family and I have a huge set of nieces and nephews, so that also feels like, that connect and that maternal, feminine thing that you feel like in your work you forget. At work you are just a person. There is no female, male
or
there.
male.
So to understand your journey also as a female human being, it requires work, right?
Yeah.
Where you have to give yourself that work
Right.
and time. And I feel like that journey is happening now. I'm able to concentrate and give myself that time to evolve in that aspect also. Because from a work perspective, though, it's happened and is happening.
Right.
But ये इसमें, so spiritually भी आपको एक चीज़ें, you're understanding them better. आप ठहराव आ गया है थोड़ा. Acceptance आ गई है. There was a little bit of a health scare that I went through also. So उससे भी life, you step back
Right. Right.
and you feel like कैसे respond कर रहे हो आप चीज़ों को. And you feel maybe this is evolving, right? rather than reacting, you're responding to things. Confidence life में better हो गया है कि जो भी हो रहा है सही हो रहा है और आपके लिए ही हो रहा है.
Right.
It's working in your favor. शायद अभी नहीं दिख रहा है, but it is working in your favor. I think little understanding like that is part of evolving, I suppose.
जैसे आपने बताया कि हर एक की लाइफ में एक होल्ड होना चाहिए स्पिरिचुअली.
Yes.
यू शुड बी समवेयर हुक्ड और एक
Yes.
एंकर होना चाहिए.
Yes. Yes.
आपकी लाइफ में वो क्या चीज है?
So for me, I feel I'm not a practicing, I mean, from a practical spiritual perspective, I'm not a practicing Buddhist, but I chant Namyoho Renge-kyo, which is a Japanese version of Buddhism. But I inherently, मुझे लगता है, I am spiritually strong. And for me now, that has become going to the Gurdwara and connecting with the spiritual learnings of Sikhism, which allows me to stay grounded because in the Gurdwara आप बैठ सकते हो और शांति है.
बिल्कुल.
So उससे it allows you to at least start thinking कि आप सोचते क्या हो और आप आपके थॉट्स क्या हैं, राइट? आप थॉट्स को कैसे कंट्रोल कर रहे हो और आप क्या सोचते हो, किस लोगों के बारे में कैसे सोच रहे हो, चीज़ों के बारे में कैसे सोच रहे हो. So I feel like that is something that I'm slowly, it's becoming stronger for me. And of course, Siddhi Vinayak. He's my go-to god.
Yes, I think being in Mumbai, you
Yes.
cannot not be.
Yeah, I just got connected to him and
yes, Siddhi Vinayak's fan, and I feel he's sitting there and just
he's just sitting there. He just says, "Kabhi aana hai, aa jao."
आ जाओ. I know.
मिलो, मेरा orange गणपति को देख लो आके.
I
So
know, I
yeah,
know.
yeah.
So Tanvi, looking ahead, what excites you the most about the future of filmmaking?
So I personally am very excited, Shraddha, because I am now starting a whole journey to work internationally. So trying to work on some European projects and build some projects in America as well. So that for me personally is my personal excitement to try and work more and more outside and represent an Indian production, an Indian producer. In terms of the industry, I feel currently we're in a slight wait and watch space. कि क्या कैसी फिल्में will work? What should we make? How do we get people to come in? I think it's a little bit of a trial and error जो चल रहा है. सीरीज पे भी मैं काम कर रही हूँ अभी. So सीरीज जर्नी भी अभी इंटरेस्टिंग है. इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ कमिटमेंट. 2-3 साल जाते हैं इन अ सीरीज. But from an overall entertainment and filmmaking perspective, I think more and more things will go digital, I feel. Because people are watching more and more things on OTT and on their phones.
Yeah.
So I feel we'll have to have all kinds of content ready.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 minute wala vertical, short hoga. Like now there's something called TV Plus, which is 15 minutes into 50 episodes. Earlier we would watch 40 minutes into 8 episodes or 1 hour into 8. Now so formats change हो रहे हैं. ताकि they're trying to figure, we're all trying to figure कि what will work. लोग क्या देखेंगे? को देखना तो है.
Yes.
But what is it that we can provide that will also be creatively satisfying for us? So yeah, it's a ever-changing landscape.
Right. Again, I आपसे बात करके ये realize हुआ कि this is like a complete spiritual process.
For me.
Yes, absolutely. Because it's not easy कि आप अपनी जान लगा दो किसी प्रोजेक्ट में और ऐसे डिटैच हो जाओ, because and that's what is life about.
And release करना लोगों को ये भी ना आप समझो like हम we want to be liked, right? We want everybody to हमारे फ्रेंड रहें सब ये वो. धीरे धीरे लोग भी कम होते रहते हैं. आप सबके साथ इन टच नहीं रह पाते हो. आप हर जगह इनवाइट नहीं होगे. आप सबको इनवाइट नहीं करोगे. Like all of this cannot make you feel like you're on shaky ground.
Yeah.
So this comes somewhere, I feel, from knowing your worth and being spiritually somewhere strong.
Right. Right.
नहीं तो it could make you feel like आज यहाँ हो कल कहीं और हो कल success है परसों नहीं है. It's and the industry is a harsh place.
Right.
They don't have time. If you're successful, they have time for you. If you're not successful, no time. उसमें आप कैसे इसको handle कर रहे हो is up to you.
It's up to you.
It's up to you. Yeah, it's up to you. Yes.
Tanvi, it was really insightful talking to you, and I thoroughly enjoyed our talks, and बहुत मजा आया. In short,
Thank
बहुत
you,
मजा आया.
thank you. I'm so glad this is. I mean, I'm glad I was here and into your lovely studio and store. And thank you for asking me all these questions and मुझे आपने यहाँ बुलाया. Thank you so much. मुझे
Thank
मजा
you.
आया आपको बताते हुए.
Thank you for
Thank you.
being here on BU with Shraddha S, and I hope हमारे viewers को भी बहुत मजा आया, बहुत insights मिले, and yes, thank you once
Thank you.
again.
Thank you so much, Shraddha. If you enjoyed our conversation, then do subscribe, like, and share this podcast.